Hi everyone! Today I'm reviewing this acrylic cutting board set, which comes with three different sizes to meet all your kitchen prep needs. Let's dive in and see why this set is a must-have for every kitchen. This set includes a large cutting board, perfect for chopping fruits and vegetables, a medium-sized board for preparing meats, and a small board ideal for slicing breads or snacks. These cutting boards are made of food-grade acrylic, making them sturdy yet lightweight. The clear, transparent design blends beautifully with any kitchen decor. Plus, each board has non-slip silicone pads that keep it steady during use, so you don't have to worry about sliding around. They're versatile too. Use them as a cutting boards, deli platters, dough mats, or even snack boards. And when you're done, the hanging holes make them easy to dry and store. Looking for a thoughtful gift? This cutting board set is sleek, practical, and perfect for housewarmings. It's a gift that anyone will appreciate. So if you're looking for a durable, versatile, and stylish cutting board set, this cutting board set is a fantastic choice. Get yours today and make your kitchen prep easier and more stylish.